Hi guys, so in today's video, I will be talking about how to link your Payoneer account to your Stripe account. So let's get started. First off, we need to sign in to our Stripe account. Here, we've had it logged in a while ago already. Now, in the upper left-hand corner, we can see different options in here. Now, all we need to do is to click on balances. Okay, here in the balances section, you can actually see add a bank account. All you need to do is to click on that one and input your account holder, the routing number, account number, and confirm your account number. And then click on add bank account. Okay, that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed and keep safe always. Bye.